from one base to another base number system. So there are many methods to convert number from one base to another base. First one is conversion of any base number into decimal number. Then second one is the conversion of decimal number into any base number. And last four, that means three number, four number, five and six numbers are shortcut method. Basically these are shortcut methods. If you see the third method is shortcut method to convert binary number into octal number. Fourth one is shortcut method to convert octal number into binary number. Fifth one is a shortcut method to convert binary number into hexadecimal. And last one shortcut method to convert hexadecimal number into binary number. Okay, so first I will discuss here conversion of any base number into decimal numbers. As digital system, in a digital system, we are using a four standard number system: binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal number system. So I am going to discuss here how we can convert any base into decimal number system. So here any base, if you see first point, any base number can be converted into its equivalent decimal number using positional weight assigned to each digit or symbols. What is the positional weight? I already discussed in a previous class. So I will start from the first problem. First problem is here, convert the following number into decimal numbers. If you see here, first problem, convert the following number into decimal number. The first part, if you see, this first part is 1001. That this is base 2. That means this number binary number. So this binary number conversion into decimal, this required answer. And so we need this. Second problem, if you see, this problem is given in a octal form. So octal to, basically this problem is now become octal to decimal conversion. If you see the third problem, so in this base is 16, so this number is representing a hexadecimal, so this problem become a hexadecimal to decimal conversion. And similarly last one problem D, here base is 5, so base 5, that means any non-standard type of problem, that base 7 problem is going to convert into decimal. So how we can convert these four problem into its equivalent decimal? So first we will see A part, 1000001 base 2. So conversion of this binary number into decimal. So we are familiar from the positional weight of each symbol. If you see this binary number having an integer portion, so positional weight or this symbol position is 0th. This is first position, this is second position, this is third position, this symbol. So we can rewrite this expression like 1, this one, this is symbol value 1 into, in a binary number system, for this symbol positional weight become a 2 to the power 3 plus, next symbol is here 0, 0 into 2 to the power 2, if you see, plus 0 into, next symbol 0 into 2 to the power position is 1. So 0 into 2 to the power 1, and last one is 1 into 2 to the power, this one into 2 to the power 0. So now you solve this one, 1 into 2 to the power 3, that means 8. This one is become 0, this is also become 0, 0 into anything become a 0. So this is last one, so this is 9. So this binary conversion into decimal will be a by 9 value. Second problem, B part, if you see, B part is saying 25.35. That means we are going to convert octal number here, octal number into decimal. So how we will convert? So this is this number is having an integer as well fraction portion both. But in previous case, binary numbers having only integer parts. Now for this problem, so this is decimal point. So decimal, so from decimal, so left side of decimal, this position is 0th position, this is first position. Right side of decimal point is, this is -1 position, this is -2 position. So we can rewrite this one, 8 into, this problem becomes, sorry, this one symbol 2 into 8 to the power 1 plus 5 into positional weight of this 5 symbol is 8 to the power 0 plus 3 this symbol 3 into 8 to the power minus 1. So 3 symbol having positional weight 8 to the power minus 1. This is 3 plus 5 into 8 to the power minus 2. So you solve this one, 8, 2 into 8, 16. 8 to the power 0, this is 1. 1 into 5, this will be 5. Plus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 64. Okay. After solving this one, you will get this one. Here will be a 16 plus 5 will be 21 plus 3 by 8. 3 by 8, and this will be value 3 by 8. This will be here 0.375 plus 5 by, this is 5 by 8 to the power, that means this is 64. This is 64, so 5 by 64, this value will be here 0.078. Okay, if you add these value all, if you add this one, so final answer will be here 0.375. So this final answer will be here 21.453. This will be the final answer for B part. Similarly, if we solve third problem, if you see third problem, so third is hexadecimal form. So you can I already explained A part and B part. You can do this one by your own. And last problem, D part. This one is non-standard. So if you see the D part, in a D part, here is number given 205. 205 in base 7. So at this 5, this is 0th position, this is first position of this symbol, this is second position of symbol. So we can rewrite this expression like, if with 2 into 7 square, because he 2 symbol having position with 7 square, that means 49, plus 1 into 7 to the power, sorry, this is 0 symbol, so 0 into, so here is 0 into 7 to the power 1 plus 5 into 7 to the power 0. So here 7 square means 49, 49 2s are, this become a 98, plus this 0 into anything will be a 0. Last one, 5 into 7 to the power 7 to the power 0 is 1, so this will become a 5. So 103 will be answer here in decimal. So I hope the concept will be clear how we can convert any base number into decimal number system. Now second, conversion of decimal number into any base number. How we can convert in decimal number into any base number, that means decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, or any one. So how we can solve this? If for example, if I'm considering, if decimal number having integers value. So first point, if you see, if decimal number has integers value, then conversion is obtained by continuous division by a desired base and keeping track the remainders. Okay, so for this is for integer value. If any decimal having integers value, then how we can convert that integer value into desired base? So that integer value will be divided by desired base and keep track the remainders. Then you will get the final answer of that decimal values. Okay. Second, if decimal number has fractional part, then conversion is obtained by continuous multiplication by a desired base and keeping track of integer generated. So how we can solve this type of problem? So see next example, this problem, question number 2. Convert the following decimal number into given base number system. So see here, first problem. This problem, this A part, 789.125. This is already given in a decimal form. So convert this into binary. So how we will solve? So if you see A part, so in this problem 789, this number having a both integer as well as fractional part. So first for integer, value. Integer value for this one is, this integer value is here 789. This 789 is divided by 2. If you divide this by 2, so this will be a 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 1 or 1 and 8, that become 18. 1 minute, this is 3 here. So 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. So remainder is here 1. Now next again this 394 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, and remainder ones 2 7s are. So remainder here is 0. So you note down after each division these values are quotient, and on the right side we will write remainders. So 2, now divide 197 by 2. So how many times successfully division? 2 9s are 18, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16. So finally successfully division, your quotient value will be 98 and remainder will be 1. Next one is here 49 times, remainder will be here 0. Next will be here similarly 24 quotient and remainder will be here 1. Similarly this process continuously. So 12 times division and remainder is 0. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are quotient value 6, remainder is 0. 2 3 are 6, so remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, that means remainder is 1 and finally quotient is 1. So this is, so now after such division, if now this one is cannot divide by 2, so this is final remainder. So arrange these all remainders from this to top. So from the bottom to top you arrange all zeros and 1, all symbols, then you will get a binary value of this 789. So this will be from bottom to top. So 1 1, so double 1, after double 1 1 2 3, 3 times 0, then 1 0 1 0 1, so 1 0 1 0 1. So this is binary of this 789 decimal value conversion. Now in this decimal also having a fractional part, so this fractional part is how we will solve fractional part. Fractional part, if you see, I here statement is I written, if decimal number has fractional part, then conversion is obtained by continuous multiplication by desired base. Our desired base is here base 2, decimal conversion we need here. So we multiply this fractional part by desired base. So desired base is here 2. So 2 you multiply by 2. So this will be 0.250. Okay. After multiplication, you repeat this process until you will get the all 0. So if you will not get any all 0 values, then you can stop multiplication after 4 5 steps. Okay. So we pick here 0.250. So 0.250 into 2, we pick only a right side of this decimal value, that means we pick only this 250. This 250 multiplied by 2, so answer will be next will be 0.50. Okay, 0. So again after point decimal point is not become 0, so this 0.50 again multiply by 2. So if you see now final here will be 1.00. So this is final. So after decimal point, this decimal point, that means after right side of decimal point, all content or digits become 0. So now we stop the iteration process. So what is final answer of this fraction value? So 0.125 conversion into base 2 will be, because this is fractional value, we are convert fraction value going to convert into binary. So you apply fractional for decimal point, then from the top to bottom you note down all integer values. So what is integer value here? If you see here, integer values are in this one is, if you see this 0, this 0 and this 1. So from top to bottom you write these values 0 0 1. Okay, excuse me, sorry. So this value, this is final binary value of this fraction. So question is here, convert 789.125 into base 2. So now you combine binary values of 789 and binary values 0.125. So you will get the final answer. So here I am writing final answer 789.125 in base 10. This is given problem, so answer will be here. So first binary of this one 789 you write here, double one double triple zero 10 10 101. Then for fractional form value, this is fractional 0.001, so 001 in base 2. So this is final answer. Now next problem, if you see here, next problem is 25.35. Similarly, you can solve 25.35 into base 16. So I will show you how we can solve this one. So B part 200 1 minute 25.35. Sorry, this is 25.35. This is in decimal. So first you solve integer value. So this decimal integer value divided by desired weight. So desired weight is in our problem is hexadecimal. Okay, we need to convert this decimal into base 16. Here base 16 is known as hexadecimal. Now divide this 25 by 16. So successfully division is one time. How much remainder? 9. So this 19 will be, so 25 integer value 25 conversion into hexadecimal value will be 19. This one is this. Now similarly here 0.35 for fractional value is decimal, so desired, our desired we need answer in hexa, so multiply by desired base 16. 16 into 0.35, you if you multiply, so this will be answer 5.60. So after decimal point, whatever the symbol or digit, you pick that one and multiply by again desired weight. So 0.60 into 16. So 16 into zero point 0.6. So this will be 9.6. Again 9.60. Sorry, 0.60. So again, if you multiply 0.60 by 16, so again you will get 9.60. So this process will be continuously repeated. So you can stop your iteration after 3-4 calculation. So I am stopping now because we will get again 9.6, 9.6, 9.6 and so on. So you can stop your iteration or calculation after 3-4 point. So 0.35 in base 10 is going to convert in hexadecimal. So this value will be 0. Now you see here what is 1 minute. If you see here, so now for fractional value, you note down this integer from the top to bottom. This is 5, this is 9, this is 9. So 0.599 in base 16. So final answer, our final answer will be 20. Question is 25.35 in base 10. So final answer will be here 19.599. This is 19 in base 16. So this is final answer. Similarly, you can calculate 263 in base 12 and in a 205 into octal conversion. Okay. Now third one. Shortcut method to convert binary number into octal number. So one approach, traditional, how we can convert binary. If I'm asking convert binary, question is here, convert binary number into octal number. I will show you in a shortcut method how we can convert. If you follow the conventional rule, binary to octal, so you can solve this problem. First, you convert this binary value into decimal, then decimal to octal. So I discussed above binary to any base to decimal and decimal to any base. So above rules will apply if we follow the conventional method. So binary to conversion, in during the binary to convert we need a two step. First convert this one is a decimal, then octal. So I will show you the shortcut method how we can solve this problem in a few seconds. So see here, this octal value having an integer value, only integer portion, no fractional part in this one. So whenever we are converting binary value into octal, then make a 3 bits group. You make a pair of 3 bits. So how we can make a pair? So for the integer portion, we always making a group from the right to left. So this is our right side, right to left. This is 3 bit, and next this 3 bit, and this is 2. So if you see from this side, 110 in decimal value, this will be a 6. 100, this one is known as a 4. And if you see, this is 2 bit 10. So you, if you pad extra 0 on the left side, the magnitude is not going to affect. So this 010 is known as a 2. So if we convert to this binary into octal, so our answer will be 246 in base 8. So this will be the final answer of this problem. So always remember, make a group of 3 bits whenever you are converting binary number into octal. Now second problem, same. If you see here, 1 minute, I will change here color. Yeah, this binary value having integer as well as fraction part both. So for the integer part, I will start first 3 bits pair. So these 3, then these 3, and last one is 1. This is alone. So if you pair extra 0 to make size 3 bits, so 001 is also known as in a decimal 1. So this is 1. If you see this one, so this is also 1. 001 is 1. This binary 3 triple time 1, this is 7. Okay. Similarly, on the right side, if you see on the right side how we will make pairing, if you see this is decimal of radix point, so here we will start pairing from the left to right. That means just after decimal point, you start from after just decimal point. So this is 3 bit 010, last one is 11, this is 2 bit. So if you pad extra 0 on right side, so this become a 110. So for this one, this big 010 become a 2. This 11, after 11 you pad extra 0 to make this equal to 3, to make the size equal in a 3 bit. So that time this become 110 become in decimal 6. So answer of this problem will be 117.260. This will be octal answer. If you follow the conventional method, then you will get the answer almost same. Now fourth one, shortcut method to convert octal number into binary. If I am asking convert octal into binary in using a shortcut method, so you follow the then that will definitely save your time. If you solve using conventional method, then how you solve this one? Octal to binary. Generally, we are solving this one, convert this octal into decimal, then decimal to binary. But this approach will take much time. So I will tell you how we can solve this problem using a shortcut method. See here, in octal number, we are writing each symbol in a 3 bits. So every symbol, you represent every symbol in a 3 bits. So binary of 5. So binary representation of 5 in 3 bit will be 101. Similarly here 0, for 0 you will write 000. For 1, this will be 0 0 1, and for this 2 we can write 0 1 0. So according to the sequence of these symbol written in octal, you arrange their binaries values. So for this value will be a for 5 1 0 1, for 0 3 times 0 in a octal form, 3 times 0. For this one, double 0 1. After this one, this is decimal or radix point or binary point, so this binary point. Therefore this 2 0 1 0, and for this one, for one binary values in a 3 bit will be 0 0 1. So 0 0 1, this will be the final answer octal to binary. If I am saying next problem, if you see here is octal number is 110. So every symbol represent every symbol in a 3 bit. So for one we one, for this one 0 0 1. Similarly for this one 0 0 1, and for 0 0 0 0. So you arrange these binary value. So answer will be 0 0 1 0 0 1. Then for 0 triple 0. So this is final answer. So from, if you see from the final answer, we can remove here extra two zeros. So from the final answer you can remove 1 minute. Yeah. So from the final answer you can remove these 2 0. Okay. So final answer will be here, because if you remove this one, the magnitude is not going to change. So final answer will be 1 double 0 1 0 1 0 in these two. Next shortcut method, conversion of binary number into hexadecimal. Okay, how we can convert this? So first problem is this binary into hexadecimal. So again, if you follow conventional method, so you convert you first convert binary into decimal, then you move from decimal to hexadecimal. So that one taking a larger time. So how we can convert this binary into hexa with the help of shortcut method. So whenever we are converting this type of problem, binary into hexa, then always make group of 4 bits. Always remember, not 3. In octal we follow the 3 bit group. In hexadecimal we follow the 4 bit group. Okay, so see here. So for integer portion, again we pairing from the right to left, 4 bit and this 4 bit. This 1010 is known as, in decimal we are saying 10. This is in decimal 10, and this 0110, this is known as the 6. But in hexadecimal, 10 is represented by alphabet A. Always remember, don't write 10 as it is. So answer will be here A 6. Similarly here, second problem you see here. So for this binary number having an integer as well as fraction part both. So first for the integer, you see, we will make a 4 bit group up to the here 4. Next here is 3. To make 4, you can add extra 0 on a left side. So this become a 0100. So 0100 in decimal is known as a 4. And 4 times 1 in decimal, this binary value 4 times 1. So if you convert this binary value in a decimal, so this value become a 15. Again remember, 15 will represented by f in hexadecimal. So this is 4f for integer part. Now see the right side. This right side means here after decimal point. Here we will pair a 4 group. So from the decimal point, we move from left to right. This is left side, left to right. This is 4 bit. Okay. After this one, this is 1 bit. So in this one, you add a 3 extra 0 on a right side to make size in a 4 bit. So answer this 010 in decimal is 5. and this 1 and triple zero is known as in hexadecimal 8. So answer will be here 4f point 58. I hope concept will be clear. Last method. Shortcut method to convert hexadecimal number into binary. So question here, how convert hexadecimal into binary? See. So remember here, in a hexadecimal, every symbol represented by 4 bit. So for 5, if we write 5, this is hexadecimal symbol 5 because this number is given in hexa form, 16 hexa. So 5 in a 4 bit, we can write 0101. For this 0, we can write in a 4 bit 4 times 0. Last this 1 in a 4 bit will be triple zero 1, and this 2 value will be here 0010. Okay, and similarly last one for one binary values I already written 0. Now arrange these binary value according to the sequence of symbol written in a hexa form. So for 5 first you write 0 1, sorry 1 0 1, then 0. For this 0, 4 times 0 you write this one. For this one, triple zero 1 point, decimal point, this one. For 2, 0 0 1 and 0, and last one for 1, this will be sorry triple zero 1. So this is final answer in hexa to binary conversion. Similarly here, if you see, for 1, in 4 bit, this will be a triple zero 1. For this A is known as a 10 in, if A is written in hexa, this value in a decimal is 10. So for 10 in binary 4 bit, 1010. For this one, triple zero 1, and last this 0. For this 0, 4 times 0. So this is binary answer. So from the final answer, you can remove these 0, especially extra 0. So final answer will be 1110100001100000. This will be the final, because these